Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you all are already mining Interlink, then in this video I'll share a quick update on the listing date and what's going on in this project. In this update, they shared that you will have verified ITLG. Your ITLG tokens that you are mining are not verified yet. The verified ITLG tokens will be converted into ITL tokens here. Regarding this, they've said that they will distribute your verified ITLG tokens. You can stake them, and on that basis you'll also receive ITL tokens as they provided in the details. This hasn't started yet because the ITLG tokens you are mining haven't been verified yet. Once the verification happens, all these things will take place. They've mentioned all this here. If you clearly check, they've written that immediate liquidity for verified ITLG holders can be distributed for ITL providing holders with immediate liquidity. This also means that once your ITLG tokens are verified and distributed, you will be provided with ITL tokens, and they're saying they'll also provide liquidity. This means will we be able to swap or sell them here? Only time will tell. They are talking about this future process and what they are going to do. The second thing, guys, is that their exchange is also coming, called the ITX exchange. It's completely like the many exchanges you've seen. They are building an exchange here. You can see they've mentioned you can swap, trade, and buy coins. Along with that, they've also mentioned that there will be a wallet here, and they've even said that you can buy and sell stocks here. Along with that, their founder also mentioned one more thing and provided a hint regarding distribution and ITL and ITLG tokens. This means about launching or listing. They mentioned that they are planning to try all these things in the fourth quarter. They've also provided a roadmap where they mentioned distributing verified ITLG and ITL tokens. So let's see if all this gets completed on time or not. That's the main thing. So now what you need to do in the Interlink app, first of all, don't forget to start mining ITLG daily, otherwise your tokens will burn. If you check on the burning streak, you will notice they burn the tokens very fast, at least if you're inactive for 2 days. Not only that, but also if you have referrals and they are not actively mining, the tokens mined from their power are also being reduced for you. And if they are not active, their tokens are also being reduced. Because if you look at the reduction speed, guys, it's very high. Your tokens are being reduced quickly here. So what you need to do is at least activate the mining daily if possible to avoid burning. That's it for this video. If you haven't joined our Telegram, then you could miss lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the link in the description. Check it out. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.